Soften your face and shoulders. Really get connected with your shoulders in the mat. Back of the arms and hands. Your whole back body. Checking in the back's comfortable, your lower back's comfy. Back of the legs. Just really sugaring in and settling into that posture. And we'll take 3 big deep breaths here. Breathe in through your nose. Take the deepest breath into the belly, expand the chest. And the slowest exhale possible, mouth just slightly open. Slow, 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 slow. 2 more of those. Enjoy them, enjoy those big breaths. And those exhales are signaling, all right, I've done my bit today. I'm gonna relax. You come round and put a little bit of gentle pressure on the shoulders. And we've got our little lavender and bergamot balm for the forehead as well. So don't be alarmed when you hear me walking past you. All right, release that exhale, release the controlled breath. And watch your breath, observe your breath, slowing down, slowing down, slowing down. Just watching the breath. Slow down, and as it does, feel it bringing calm to the body, calm to the mind. Calm in all your bodies, spiritually, emotionally. Enjoy that slowing down. Feel the whole back body soften into the mat. Feel the toes soften, the soles of your feet. Feel the space between your toes, shoulders. Tops of the feet, heels and ankles, softening. Relaxing. Maybe just feeling a bit heavier. Feeling the shins soften, the calves. Front of your knees and the kneecaps. See if you can just feel the kneecaps soften a little bit more. Back of the knees. Feel the thighs soften. The inner thighs, outer thighs. huge muscle at the front of the legs, the quads, your hamstrings at the back of the legs. Feeling those big muscles soften and relax. Feeling the pelvis relax and soften. The hips. Feeling the lower back release any tension there. The lower abdomen. Feel the side body starting to relax, the right side and the left side. Your tummy. And the mid-back. Gently feeling the chest softening. And the ribs. Upper back. Shoulders are heavy. Open and relaxed. Feeling the arms soften, biceps and triceps, elbows, your forearms, and the wrists. Your hands, back of the hands heavy and relaxed. Palms of the hands, fingers, fingertips. Feeling the space between the fingers. Feeling the whole back body. Feeling the whole back body. Right side of the body. Left side of the body. Front of the body. And your head. Back of the head. Feeling heavy. Relaxing, softening into the support below. Relax your face. And forehead. And eyes. See if you can feel the eyes soften a wee bit more. Cheeks soft. Relaxing the upper jaw and the lower jaw. Just enjoying some quiet and stillness here. Gently, gently start to feel movement in the whole body. Your fingers and toes, hands and feet, wrists and ankles. Make gentle circles there. Allowing the movement to spread up to the elbows and the shoulders, to the ankles and the knees and hips. Take your time. Roll onto the side when you're ready. And taking a breath or two there, using your hands and arms as a pillow with eyes closed. Holding on a little bit more to feelings of calm, quiet. And when you're ready, finding a comfortable seated position. Sitting upright, eyes closed or soft gaze, face soft, shoulders relaxed. And it's taking a moment to check in once again how you're feeling. Take a deep breath in. Slow exhale. Get the option to bring your hands together at the heart center. I'm going to chant 1 Om and 3 Shantis. You can join in or just listen and think about the vibration of the chant. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Option to bring the hands up to the forehead and repeat Om Shanti, simply meaning peace, peace in your mind. Bringing the hands down to the heart center, Om Shanti, peace in your heart. And gently bringing the hands down to the grass, Om Shanti. May we all be healthy, happy and safe. Take your time, just come back into the space. Lovely. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, do you need some sunshine? Yes. Do you need a wee bit of space, like mental, physical space from your day to day? Yes. Do you need some TLC? Yes, absolutely. Please sign me up. Where am I going? You are coming to the south of Spain, beautiful Costa del Luz, for a weekend yoga and mindfulness retreat with me. You are number one. Look after yourself. Disconnect, concentrate on yourself, and then return home feeling refreshed, vitalized, happy, and ready to kick ass. Like, how good does that sound? How good is that gonna be? Visualize it, feel it, check out wherever it is, the button, click on the link, and go and have a wee nosy at my retreat. I will see you soon. Take care of yourself today.